Tired of your AI-generated masterpieces looking a little blurry? Today, I'm going to show you the exact steps to upscale chat-generated images to 4K quality with awesome details. Let's dive in. First, let's open ChatGPT-4o. You can use any prompt you like to generate images. For example, we can ask it to generate future cityscapes. Now, we have a resulting image, but it may not be of the highest quality. This is where 4D file repair comes in. Use the magic AI Enhance feature. Drag your photo and choose the general model. Well done. Let's check out the incredible. Not only that, for portraits with more flaws, 4D can also smooth the skin with one click. Similarly, import the picture. This time we choose the face mode, soften. Wait a little, and you're done. Facial and skin blemishes are significantly reduced while retaining the original skin texture. Check the download links below and try enhancing your favorite images. Don't forget to subscribe to us for more tips. See you.